Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Hope all of you are doing well. So, after long gap, again we came with the recording session. So, hope all of you are able to do your assignments and able to do your classes, listening your classes in MS Teams. So, today we are going to discuss the exercise questions which are given for the assignment for the chapter 2, that is number system. The previous video I discussed about number system. What is the purpose of number system and who invented zero? So that is zero was invented by our Aryabhatta is Indian scientist. Without zero, there is no existing of the computers. Okay, this Indian mathematician. We have great honor that the scientist was from India who invented the zero. So basically, what is number system is nothing but it is a way to represent your numbers. Normally, existing number system is that is we are having the decimal number system which can be counted from 0 to 9. So with the help of fingers that we are able to do, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are there showing the fingers. So which we are seeing it is called as a decimal number system. Okay. And also apart from this, we discussed the three types of decimal number system, that is binary number system and hexadecimal number system and octal number system. So binary number system is contains the two numbers 0 and 1. Octal number contains the 8 numbers, that is 0 to 7. Hexadecimal consists of 0 to 15, that is total 16 digits. So from number 10 से लेकर हम लोग number 15 तक we'll say जैसे A B C D F. Okay. So the unique way to represent the individual number system is that by using base or radix of the number system. What is base or radix is nothing but the symbols or represents the numbers which is current in the particular number system. For example, in decimal number system, we are having the 10 numbers. So we say it as a base or radix is a 10. Okay. In the case of binary number system, we are having the two digits, that is 0 and 1. So its base is 2. Okay. In the case of octal numbers, we are having the total 8 digits. That's why its base is 8. Okay, 0 to 7, which is showing here. And hexadecimal, it contains total 16 digits, 16 unique symbols. That's why it denoted with the base or radix with the 16. So I think you are able to see on the screen 0 to F. So from number 10 से लेकर 15 तक we'll say this A B C D F. Okay. So how to represent the values, that is if it is base 10 it is mean decimal, if it is base 2 it is matlab binary, if it is base 8 it is called as a base 8 it is octal. So based on the base or radix only we can identify this number system is belong to this particular number system. Okay. So base is nothing but simply the number of symbols which that particular number system contains, or number of unique symbols, or number of numbers which represents that particular number system. That's about this number system which we discussed in the previous class. So and also we discussed about converting a decimal number to the binary. So how to convert the decimal number to the binary? So here they given one algorithm step by step process which I already shown in the previous video. Again you see our aim is to convert from decimal to binary. Decimal number means base it is 10 and we have to convert into the base 2, that is contains only zeros and ones. Okay. So first of all we have to do the divide the decimal number by 2 with the base of the binary number. Okay. Which why we are dividing by 2, as it is the binary number ka jo base it is 2, that's why we are dividing by 2. Then store and record the remainder which is obtained from the step 1, that is the first remainder. Then divide the quotient which is obtained from the step 2 and record the remainder again. Okay, first remainder हो गया, second remainder हो गया, then quotient को फिर divide करते जाओ until the quotient becomes 0. This is what we done in the previous class. So arrange the numbers from last remainder to the first remainder, that is from bottom to top. So here they given the common example, 25 is the decimal number, so we want to convert into the binary number. So that is they given, see they are divided with base 2 because of they are converting the base of the binary number, that's why it is dividing by 2. So 2 divides 25 12 times leaves the remainder 1, and again 2 divides 12 6 times and leaves the remainder 0. 2 divides 6 3 times and leaves the remainder 0. 2 divides 3 1 time and leaves the remainder 1. 2 divides 1 0 times and leaves the remainder 1. So writing from this part to this part, that is last remainder to the first remainder, fifth remainder the last. So it is called 1 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, it is an example which we shown in the previous class. Today in this class we are going to see about the converting a binary number to the decimal number. So I given the assignment, only few of you have done. See, so if you are having any doubt again, see, I given the total 10 numbers I given. Some of you done that what is taken as a 1.18. Okay, so I think they got confusion. So again, for example, if you see, I'll take the number 106 and I'll explain it how to do. Okay, so how to convert into what we say decimal to binary. Okay, 106. Okay, 2. So 2 divides 553 times. Okay, 53 is the quotient and leaves the remainder 0. Again, 2 divides 26 times 52 leaves the remainder 1. Okay, next 2 divides 26, that is 13, remainder 0. Okay, 2 divides 13, that is 6 times, sorry, remainder 1. Okay, remainder 1. 2 divides 3, remainder 0. Here there is no place, I am doing here. 2 divides 6 times, leaves the remainder 1. Again 2 divides 3 times, remainder 0. 2 divides 1, remainder 1. 2 divides 0, remainder 1. So value is starting from here, that is 1101. Again this part 0 1 0 0. This is the binary number. Okay, this is the binary number. Clear? Clear all of you? Clear? 106 we have to convert. 2 divides 53 leaves the remainder 0. 2 divides 53 26 times and leaves the remainder 1. 2 divides 26 13 times and leaves the remainder 0. 2 divides 13 6 times, the remainder 1. 2 divides okay, I done mistake. So this part is not there, no. This part we came to here. Okay, this part is also not there. 6 का भी हो गया. The answer is 110 110 10 1010. Yes, okay, this part will not. Okay, 110 110 1010 110 1010. Okay, clear all of you? This is way we have to do. Some of you taken as a 0.5. It is, I think you confused. It is given the total 10 numbers को मैं दिया था, आप लोग ने पॉइंट को भी 1 को भी कर दिया, 2 को भी कर दिया कुछ लड़का लोग. Okay, so check it out and again do it again and please do submit. I got very few submissions. Again you go and see in your textbook and I uploaded in the e-pages. So go through your textbook and read the textbook, go through the textbook and do practice. This is the numbers which I given. Okay, this is about this particular number system which I shown. Next one, converting a binary number to the decimal number. How to convert a binary number to the decimal number? ये थोड़ा सा important है, देखिए. First mark the positions of binary digits. I'll take binary number मतलब आपको मिलेगा it is in the form of ones and zeros. Yes or no? Ones and zeros में मिलेगा. So what they are telling that we have to convert it to the decimal number. See how, what is the this is the questions they are asking in the UPSC. first we have to making the positions of binary digits from right to left, right से लेकर left तक as 0 1 2 3 example. So here they given this is a binary number, it contains only 1 1 0 1 will be written right side से 0 1 2 3 करके किया. Now multiply each binary digit with its base to the power of position. मतलब each binary digit that is 1 into base with its base, that is base कितना था 2, binary का base कितना 2 with position value, that is कौन सा position में 0 position में, that is 2 power 0. So that's why again multiply each binary digit that is 0 into with space that is 2 to the power of 1, okay, position value, okay, like that, so on, and add all these values. Now add the resultant value, you will get the value. See, 1 into 2 to the power 0, so 0 into 2 to the power 1, 1 into 2 to the power square, 1 into 2 cube, okay, 1 into 2 power 0 means 1, so 1 into 1 1, anything power to 0, a power 0 is 1, okay. So you will get in the exponents in your mathematics. See, 1 into 2 power 0, that is 1, 0 into 2 power 1, that is 0, 0 into any value, then 1 into 2 square, that is 4, 1 into 2 cube 8. So 1 plus 0 0 plus 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 8 13. So the equivalent value of 1101 is 13, okay. So this is the way we have to do converting the decimal number to the binary number to the decimal. Again I am telling, whatever the binary number you got plus you first you get the position values from right side, increase the value 0 1 2 3. Now multiply each binary number with its base, that is binary number base, that is into 2 to the power position value with its power base to the power of position, that is 2 to the power of position value. Then add the resultant value, you will get the equivalent decimal number. I hope all of you done. Again you see, first we have to make the positions of the binary digit, that is from right to left, that is 0 1 2 3. Then again multiply each binary number from right side with its base, that is 2 is the base, or to the power position value, that is 2 to the power position value, okay. So position value kitna tha 0 1 2 3, so like that you will multiply it, okay. Clear all of you? So let us have one example. Let us take this example. Let us take 1 0 1 0. Let us first of all you tell me that this is a decimal binary number or not. This is a binary number, okay. We have to convert into the decimal number, that is base 10 में convert करना चाहिए. Now we are converting. So first write the position values, that is 1 to the power 0, 1 to the power 0, that is here position value 1, 0 right side na, 0 1 2 3. Now multiply each value, that is with the position value, that is 0 into from right side, okay, 0 into with its base to the power position value plus 1 into right side से कर रहा हूँ, okay, with its base to the position value, power position value, multiplication and adding एक साथ में कर ले रहा हूँ, but in our algorithm steps they are shown that multiply each binary number with its base to the position value, with its power to the position value. So then again 0 into right side से कर रहा हूँ पूरा 0 into 2 to the square plus 1 into 2 to the power. So 0 into anything 0, 1 into 2 power 1, that is 2, 0 into anything 0, 1 into 2 cube, that is 8. Clear? So total value is 10. So 1010 का decimal number क्या है 10. Clear? 1010 का decimal number is equivalent is 10. Clear all of you? Again let us have one more example. Let us take the simple small value 110. This is the binary number. We have to convert into decimal number. First we write the position values 0 1 2. Okay, now multiply each binary number, that is from right side to left side, into with its base to the power to the position value 0. Next 1 into right side से करना है, okay, plus 1 into 2 square. So 0 into anything 0, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 2 square 4. Okay, 4 plus 2 6. So 6 is the decimal number equivalent to binary number. Clear? So this is the way we have to do. So this also I'll give example. Please do submit. Okay, please go through the textbook assignments which I given, and also the textbook background का कुछ questions है, ये सब भी आप लोग देख लो. Okay, the same thing which we are doing. Okay, go through the textbook backside questions and do submit all the questions. Okay, clear? In the Google Classroom, please submit all these questions, do it all the questions. So they say or the following values are wrong. This question I am telling, see 0 1 2 8. This value is wrong. Why it is wrong?